Well, we always wanted to be green. We wanted to be efficient, not just monetarily speaking, but just so we could feel good about the build. We wanted it to be a green home. So this type of construction stuck out to us from the beginning. We actually searched for builders that did this kind of thing, and that's how we found our builder. And he had experience with it, and he talked us into it really quickly when we heard about all the benefits.
Aesthetically, this is the look that we were going for from the beginning. So all of the building materials fit perfectly with our style.
Yeah, we wanted it to be modern and minimal, and this is the perfect construction material for that. It looks very sleek, very strong, and very simple.
This is also our forever home, so it's not going anywhere, and we were very concerned about our environmental footprint as far as long lasting.
And it does feel monolithic. It feels like it's not going anywhere. We love the look of it. And the maintenance is also a big benefit. Having an exterior that doesn't need to be painted, we're able to texture the interior with some stucco that doesn't need to be, some plaster that doesn't need to be painted or replaced. So the idea that we're done, that this is what we have and we're finished and we're here for good, that was a big selling point. We wanted something modern and we wanted something sleek, and there are a lot of developers and builders and architects that do that in Austin, and I interviewed a couple. No one seemed to be as comfortable with this style as Zaman did, as our builder did. And the prices I was getting quoted were crazy. People were just too intimidated by something new, but Zaman was comfortable. He had experience with it. He knew exactly what he was doing. So it seemed like a perfect fit. Someone was taking us serious with our design ideas too, which were a little creative at the time, and had experience working with this kind of stuff. I felt real good.
And his mission to be green fit ours. It wasn't just about the fad of it all, but the environmental is very important to him. So it spoke to us and our hearts. I think that just walking around the house, outside and inside, the wear of the house hasn't shown. It's only been 10 months, but I know in past houses when we've had rock and siding, we've had to pressure wash, the siding starts to peel or break away, and here, maintenance has been so minimal, which has helped us so much.
It does feel solid. You don't really realize it till you walk in here and then walking back into a conventional house, just how substantial and solid it feels like to live in a house like this. It does feel like it's not going anywhere. It's here to last. There's no wear and tear on it. It doesn't feel hollow. It doesn't feel like I could break through a wall. It feels like it's here to last. It's a feeling. The thickness of the windows, it looks like almost a monument. I mean, it has that kind of a thickness to it, a feel to it. It is something else to live in versus other homes.
And the actual feel of the home is so smooth and cool to the touch. It's nice.
We actually have people come in and want to touch the walls. They want to knock on the wall and hear it and see how it feels and sounds.
And we actually have pieces of the inside of the wall just to show people. When they ask us, what is it made of, we want to show them, because words don't do it justice. So when we were planning our home long term, of course, the efficiency of the house and our bills were greatly important to us. So the electricity bill has been very affordable. Collecting rainwater has been very helpful. But just the way that the earth and the world, the nation is going, we really wanted long term to be able to help ourselves. So harvesting our own water, one day solar, those are our long term goals.
And using this material allowed us to actually have the water capture inside the structure versus putting a cistern outside where we had to probably remove trees and whatnot, also be a little bit of an eyesore. So we were able to integrate the water collection with the build, actually under part of the house, to make the footprint even smaller. So versus our conventional houses we've lived in the past, not only are we collecting rainwater so our water bill is zero, the efficiency of the home has brought our electric bill down to almost nothing. We didn't pass $120 till August this year. It stays the same temperature all day long. We don't feel the various ebb and flow of the outside temperatures through the day. It's been incredibly efficient.
And I remember in past homes having conversations about the electric bill and how we needed to modify our use of electricity to make it more affordable. And here, it's not even a question.